Okay, so now we've previewed our data and we're happy with the data in the shapefile. Let's get the data into SQL Server. So for this demo, I'm using SQL Server 2014. So let's first create a new database to hold our shapefile data. Call it SQLRelay 2015. Let's go with the default options. And to get our data into SQL Server, we're going to use the Shape to SQL tool I mentioned before. So, like I said, you'll need to copy in the appropriate version of the SQL Spatial DLL into the same folder as the Shape to SQL.exe file. You can see here I've got the 2014 version of that DLL. So we can load up the application. We've got some header information displayed at the top here. Let's choose our shapefile. We've got header information here, summary of contents of the shapefile. Let's just check where that data is going to get imported to. That's the right database, and the right. So we're going to use Windows Authentication as the credentials, and we're going to create a new table name called NCC_conservation areas. Now we don't want to create a spatial index for this import. The original index creation code for this version of Shape to SQL worked well on SQL Server 2008, but the indexing actually changed in 2012 and 2014, so that option doesn't actually work very well when running that import. So we've run that import. Let's have a look at the data. There's all our other attributes, and we've got the geom attribute data field there that contains the geometric data. There's our designated conservation areas, all 172 of them, the name, the date of the designation, and some other information. If we click on spatial results, we can see some of the polygon data here. Let's zoom in a little bit, and as we zoom in, let's turn on the labels as well so we can see which each of those polygons, what they represent. And I'm looking for Kellum, I can't find it, it was the one we looked at earlier. So let's just create a quick update our SQL statement to help us here. So just say where name equals Kellum. And let's run that. There we go, one result set, and there we go, there's the shapefile I was looking for, the conservation area that I was looking for. That's great.